If you've ever been doubted, criticized, or told you're not enough, this video will show you how to build confidence in just 5 minutes, the same way Amy Cuddy did.
Imagine standing in front of a room full of brilliant minds at Harvard Business School, but instead of feeling powerful, you feel like an imposter, like everyone is secretly waiting for you to fail. That was the story of Amy Cuddy, a young woman who was told flat out that she wasn't smart enough, that she didn't belong, that she should just give up. This is where our story begins. Amy's life wasn't a straight path to success. When she was only 19, she suffered a traumatic brain injury in a car accident. Doctors told her she would never fully recover, that she should lower her ambitions. For years, she lived under the shadow of doubt, the villain in our story. Doubt from doctors, professors, and even her own inner voice. But instead of surrendering, she fought back with one powerful idea, that your body language shapes your mind. She discovered something revolutionary. By simply changing the way you hold your body, you can literally rewire your brain for confidence.
Think about this. What if confidence wasn't about what you say, but how you stand? Amy called it the power pose. 2 minutes of standing tall, hands on your hips like Wonder Woman, or arms stretched wide like a champion, could lower stress hormones and boost confidence chemicals in your brain. Science backed her up, and when she shared this in her TED Talk, it exploded. Over 60 million views, one of the most popular TED Talks of all time. But of course, the villain came back. Critics tore her down, calling her research flawed, dismissing her as a fraud. Imagine building something that changed millions of lives, only to have people try to erase your credibility overnight. Yet Amy's story didn't end in defeat. Instead, she doubled down, not by fighting her critics directly, but by living her message, standing tall, even when the world tries to make you small.
And here's where you come in. Confidence isn't about waiting for everyone to believe in you. It's about choosing to believe in yourself, even if you only fake it at first. The lesson from Amy Cuddy's story is simple. Fake it until you become it. Not pretending to be someone you're not, but practicing the confidence you want until it becomes who you are.
So, here's my question to you. If you had just 5 minutes before walking into the most important moment in your life, how would you stand? Would you curl in, small and uncertain, or would you spread your arms, take space, and claim your power? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective.
If this story inspired you, hit that like button. Share it with someone who needs confidence today. And don't forget to subscribe for more evergreen motivation stories. Because the world may doubt you, but as Amy Cuddy proved, you can still rise above it. Sometimes in just 5 minutes.